Hey guys, today I'm going to be unboxing and showing you this XEGA solar powered security camera. So let me go ahead and break it out of the box and see what it looks like. Alright guys, so this product was gifted to me to do this video, so that's what I'm going to do is unbox it and show it to you right here. So the first thing in the box is a 7-day free trial SIMS card here that comes with the camera, and it looks to me that it's been punched out. It's already in the camera, maybe. We'll see when we get there, but that's the first thing in the box. This is an installation template where you'll use to put your screws in. Alright, and then we've got our user manual. Let's get this. This here is the solar panel. Let's take a look at that. Appears to be pretty well built, solid. It's not flexible. Has a pretty good frame around it. Some type of little attachment here with some cord. Let's set that off to the side. Pull this out here. Okay, so we've got a couple of things here. We have our installation hardware, some screws, even a little set of tweezers there, another data cable, and let's go and get this out. We have our little camera here. Set that out. Nothing else in the box. Let's put the packaging over here out of the way. Alright, so we see this is what comes in the box. We'll have our little camera here. And okay, there we go. There's our mounting base. It was already on there. So this is a metal mounting base, and use the hardware here to mount it. I will be doing that. Okay, so we'll install that later. And let's take a look at the camera here. I wear a size extra large glove, so it's kind of large. It's a big camera. Here it says tear it off before use. Just initial feeling of it right here, it feels pretty solid. The actual solar panel mounts right in here. Looks like it mounts right down in there like that. Okay, and then it has a couple of these little thumb screw nuts that you actually put in there. Okay, so that's pretty cool. I find it interesting that it came with a white solar panel and the camera is black, but that really doesn't make any affect the function of it. Okay, as far as build quality, it feels solid. This is plastic. Mounting base is metal. Alright guys, so let me go ahead and install this and test it out, then I'll come back and tell you what I think about it. So hold on, I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back with the XEGA solar powered 4G camera here. First I want to talk to you about how it did in testing and my impressions. So first of all, this camera, this camera uses the U-Box app. The app itself is okay. It does the job. It works. It lacked a few features I would like to see, and I'll talk about those later. The camera works fine as far as connecting to it, operating it, turning it, all that kind of stuff. That, the camera does what it's supposed to do as far as connectivity. It came with a 7-day trial from called EOT Club SIMS card that was included with it, and it had a 7-day data plan, and I used that up. So I only really was able to test it for 7 days because it only came with a 7-day trial plan. I thought that the camera would continue working even without the SIM card, but actually it doesn't. So I only have 7 days of testing, I thought it was in the field capturing images and stuff, but it doesn't actually continue to work. After the data plan died, the camera shut off. Okay, so that's very important to know if you're planning on using this without a data plan. No, you can't do it. It must have a data plan. The camera will not function, and when the data plan goes out, the camera stops as well. So that's something that you needed to know. I'm going to throw a montage of some videos up here for you, daytime, nighttime, different videos of different things that the camera took during the 7-day period that it was operating. So let me go ahead and show that to you. All right, so, I'm going to let you look at that and see if that's going to be satisfactory for your needs. Now, let's go to the app. The U-Box apps is what this camera is used with. It does have an SD card slot on it here that you can record the footage to the camera. And then they also provide a cloud backup that you can use to actually record to the cloud, but that is a monthly subscription. What is lacking in the app is the ability to have what's called push email notifications, where whenever the camera is activated, it sends you an email with a thumbnail image of what it saw during that. And I really like that feature, and it's not lacking. It's lacking here. It does send notifications to your phone, okay? But in order to actually use those notifications, you have to actually log on to the camera, which takes a while, and then go back and you have to play the files that are stored on the SD card. And all of that consumes a lot of data from your plan. If it had push email notifications where it would send an email out with an image of what it would actually activate it, then you could see whether or not there was something important just by looking at your email, and it would use minimal data, just a few kilobytes, just to send that email with that thumbnail in there that would give you a glimpse of what activated the camera. Okay, so that would be a really good addition, but unfortunately that is not available in this app. All right, let's talk about detection ratio. The camera does not do very well in an outdoor natural setting. I live in the country, and the only way I have to test it is in a natural setting where there'll be grass and trees and stuff. And I test a lot of trail cameras in these environments, and the trail cameras tend to be very good at differentiating between animal and human movement and plant life movement. This camera did not do that. It basically detected all movement, regardless of whether it was a life form, whether it was grass or tree or branch or a leaf blowing by. It detected everything. And so there is no settings in the firmware to adjust for that. You either have high, low, or medium settings, but it does not differentiate between plant movement and life form movement. It does not have that technology. So that's what you need to know. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have and found it helpful, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.
Hey, the Gadget Man here, and I want to talk to you a little bit about the new feature that YouTube has announced called Super Thanks. And this is the viewer ability to basically give the creators a tip. You know, we don't make a whole lot of money from our videos, especially me. I do a lot of work on my videos to try to make them good for you. And, you know, I do them because I want to help people out. But, you know, it's good to be appreciated. So if you've got a couple extra bucks, I'd appreciate if you throw them my way. If you don't, please enjoy the video. They're out there. I put them out there for free so that you can. But, you know, I would appreciate it if you could. Thanks a whole lot and have a great day.